happy outside today. Here's what it's doing. I'm heading to check on the chickens. You can probably hear the wind roaring. How deep the drift is right now. And what's crazy is the wind's supposed to stop and it's supposed to turn to rain in a couple hours. So yeah, it's just lovely out here. Here's a wind gust. It's a little chilly out. But anyway. Yeah, not too bad. But like I said, it's supposed to turn to rain, so yay. What a mess is going to be. Schools are all closed. I think it's a good time to stay inside with a pot of coffee. Hey, walking to the last chicken barn. Waiting for the snow drifts. Another gust. Get my glove back on. Yeah, some of the snow drifts are probably 2.5 feet high, deep, whatever you want to call it. It's like crushed rag. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good day. Checked on the chickens, they're all alive. Nothing blew away. Alright, I'm gonna go in, have some coffee, warm up. Talk to you later.